What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. This is gonna be a super quick tip, I guess. So I'm just out here doing some backyard birding, you know, how I normally do. And I just thought of something that I realized I haven't really talked about before, and it's for a select group of people, mainly for people who have a Canon 5D Mark IV or a 7D Mark II. I'm not sure if there's any other camera bodies that have it, but there's a little joystick right here on the 7D2 and the 5D4, and by default it's set to off, but I want to show you guys a way to put it on to where you don't need to go into any menus or hit any other buttons or anything like that to change your group selection points. And this is a big deal for wildlife photography and sports photography, and I use it a lot when I'm doing like switching between birds and birds in flight, or big mammals in the distance, or anything like that, when I want to get more than a single shot, or when I want to go back to a single shot for my AF selection. So it's really simple to do. All you got to do is go into the quick menu and go to the custom controls, and then go down here to this little switch. That's the little symbol for this button here, and by default it's set to off, so we're going to toggle it to this setting right here, which is the direct AF area selection. And by turning that on, that is going to help you a lot in being able to switch between your group selection AF points, and that's going to help just be a little faster when you need to switch in scenarios that are really good for wildlife and sports. I mean, it's good for anything. I mean, anytime you have to use less buttons is good, but I just wanted to show you how I use it and let you guys know about that little trick. And I don't have that option, surprisingly, on my 1DX2. I have to do it a different way, but it's better than having to use this little manual function button. So not having to use that button and being able to switch faster is really handy. So, all right, I'm gonna get back to shooting my birds in the face, and hopefully you guys have a great weekend. I know I am. Hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you haven't already. I've got new videos every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.